New Cricut product alert, linerless transfer tape. Then you have cold activated vinyl. I am using the cold activated vinyl to make these super cute mini milkshakes. The cold color vinyl shows its color at about 30 degrees Fahrenheit. So if you take a look, it changes right in front of your eyes. It gets a nice vibrant darker color, and then you have this dissolvable paper label, and it is so cool because for those meal preps and those temporary labels that you want to make, like when I do my ice cream, it washes off so easily. It was very simple. And then you have the holographic sticker vinyl or writable vinyl for the joy, and then you have the reflective vinyl, the iron-on. Wow, it's so pretty. It's the rainbow color. And then we have the hot activated vinyl, like for soups or hot water or hot tea. Look how it changes. Super cool. And next we have the UV color activated. So it looks white when you're indoors. As soon as you step outside, it changes right in front of your eyes. Super cool. Check out nialee.com and use my link and affiliate code to order.